तुम्हाला बर्ड्स कॅन फ्लाय ही कविता म्हणून दाखवणार आहे. बर्ड्स कॅन फ्लाय, birds can fly up in the sky, up in the sky, and I can fly too, and I can fly too. Frog can jump, frog can jump very very high, very very high, and I can jump too, and I can jump too. Duck can swim, duck can swim deep in the water, deep in the water, and I can swim too, and I can swim too. Rock can walk, rock can walk in the ground, in the ground, and I can walk too, and I can walk too. Horse can run, horse can run in the forest, in the forest, and I can run too, and I can run too. Bunnies can hop, bunnies can hop